Hi guys, so today we're going to be boiling eggs, get different yolks. So this is the perfect way to boil eggs. So first you put your water on fire and you leave the water to boil for 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes you carefully put in your eggs. So now you're going to boil the egg depending on the type of yolk you actually want. So if you want the yolk to still be watery, if you don't want it dried at all, you just have to boil for like 5 minutes or 6 minutes. So this first one is 6 minutes. So the next one is 7 minutes. That one, the yolk will be dried but not too dried. Then the next one is 8 minutes. The next one is 10 minutes, and then the last one is 12 minutes. So we're going to get different yolks. So for the first one, for the 6 minutes, like I said, the yolk won't be dried at all. The yolk will still be watery. For the next one, that's the one of 7 minutes. That one, the yolk will be a bit dried but still watery. Then for the next one, that's one of 8 minutes. That one, the yolk will be dried but not fully dried. Then the one of 10 minutes, the yolk will be dried, though not completely, not full like that. And then the last one, which is one of 12 minutes, the yolk will be completely dried, like solidly dried, like very dried. So in case you want to boil your egg next time and you don't want to get fully dried yolk, now you know how many minutes to leave the egg on fire for. Or if you want to get fully dried yolk, you know how many minutes to leave the egg on fire for. So that is how to perfectly boil your egg. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, don't forget to check out our other videos on our channel. We have amazing content. You can check out our food recipes, our games, our vox pop, any of our videos. We have so many DIYs on our channel, so feel free to check it out, and don't forget to like. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video and you would come back for more. So I'm just going to quickly peel this, and then I'll arrange them according to their minutes. So the first one will be 6 minutes, the second one will be 7 minutes, third one will be 8 minutes, the fourth one will be 10 minutes, and the last one is going to be 12 minutes. So I'm going to arrange them according to their minutes so you can see how they came out. Although they're already somehow cold when I finished everything, so they were not looking how I wanted them to look, but those are the minutes you can boil your egg to get different yolks. So you should try it and see also if it will come out the same way. Don't forget, your water should be on fire for at least 5 minutes first before adding the eggs into the water. And also, don't forget, I showed us how to peel eggs the other day, to peel under running water so it comes up well. So this is the end result of the egg. Thanks for watching. Bye.